High pressure protection. Malfunction conditions. If the sampling voltage is not 5 volts, the LED will display the failure. The failure may be caused by wiring mistake, faulty overload protector, system leakage or blocking, and faulty outdoor PCB. Troubleshooting is shown in figure. Check whether the wiring between the high-pressure switch and the main PCB is well connected. Check whether the high-pressure protector is broken. Method: unplug the plug. Measure the resistance of the high-pressure protector. If the protector is normal, the value is 0. If protector is abnormal, replace the high-pressure protector. If protector is normal, check whether the outdoor ambient temperature is higher than 50 degrees Celsius. If yes, stop the unit. Check if the outdoor unit ventilation is good, and make sure the outdoor unit ventilates well. If ventilation is good, check if the outdoor fan runs properly. Please refer to the solution of fan speed malfunction. Find out the causes and solve them. If the fan is normal, check whether the heat exchanger is dirty. If yes, clean the heat exchanger. If the error still exists, replace the outdoor main PCB. If the error still exists, check whether the refrigeration system is okay. Find out the causes and solve them.